State College graduate. I took a 2-year course in Information Technology, major in Computerized Accounting, and I used to work before as a call center agent and now as your teacher. And Teacher Hannah is a very flexible person, which means no matter what age, background, or proficiency level, you are welcome in my class. And I will make sure that you're going to enjoy and feel comfortable with me. And I will make sure that I can help you to learn to speak, to read, and to understand English in every different fun ways. So I hope to see you soon. Bye!